How to get $100 Snag Tights discount code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Snag Tights discount code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working discount codes for Snag Tights. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Boards. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer 10% off, 20% off, 30% off, and many more. Just scroll and check. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. So here is the code, you can copy it. Then you can head towards the website of Snag Tights. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you'll find the section of codes. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Also, you can try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers. Likewise, make sure to check out this website, as this website will also provide you Snag Tights discount code. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 Snag Tights discount codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.